I'm going to be using some of the ingredients from this Pornstar Martini, and I'm going to be using them to make this amazing passion fruit spritz. Chances are you found me because you've been searching how to make the Pornstar Martini. So the chances are you've got the Pornstar Martini ingredients lying around and you're thinking, what other cocktails can I make with that? Well, this whole series of videos is about giving you inspiration about other drinks. From time to time, we are just going to use those ingredients, but in other times we're going to add to them. And in this recipe, I'm going to add the Aperol for a spritz, obviously, and some soda water. But stay tuned because I've also got some kind of inspiration for you for other soda waters, other mixers you could use to replace that, and I'm not actually using that. So let's dive straight in. This is kind of like a passion fruit Passoa spritz, if you like. Absolutely delicious. It doesn't really matter what glass you could use. We're going to make it straight in the glass. You could do a gin balloon. I absolutely love this. This is Bullard's gin. It's their gin glasses. I absolutely love those kind of tumblers. You could go in a wine glass as well, but I absolutely really love this Aperol Spritz glass. So I'm going to be using that. And just put those to one side. So I'm going to make it straight in that glass. So ingredient number one, I'm going to be working in US for this in ounces. So 30 ml is 1 ounce, 60 ml is 2 ounces. I think they're a lot better cocktail ratios, a lot better than the sort of 25, 50 mils. Anyway, ingredient number one, Passoa. You won't need any introductions to this. Passion fruit liqueur, really easy to get in the UK. 30 ml, 1 ounce of Passoa in there. Now give it a lovely kind of fruity vibe. Again, Aperol is available worldwide. Of course it is. Big, massive spirit. Aperol Spritzes. We love it. So again, we're going 30 ml of Aperol for this. There we go. So, and that'll kind of give it, so that's giving it a sweetness. This will kind of give it the bitter edge. Now, so we've got 60 ml of booze. I always go equal measurements, so 60, 60, 60, or 50, 50, 50, whatever you want to do. For this, I was thinking soda water. So Aperol Spritzes are traditionally kind of just plain, traditional soda water with a Schweppes supermarket own brand. However, I've got some inspiration. That's what I love doing. I love giving you inspiration. So I've got a couple of things to kind of show you. These are my guys. I love them to bits, elixirs, and I think these two, they've got some more as well, but I think these two would work perfectly in there. We've got their blood orange, I always get it run one way around, blood orange and cinnamon tonic water there. We've got a lemon and elderflower, which would work amazingly well in there. Obviously, Fever Tree have got their clementine tonic water as well, which would kind of similar to that, but I do absolutely love that. But the mixer I'm actually going to use is Fentiman's. I haven't used this for ages. Fentiman's Tropical Soda, and obviously you've got the passion fruit flavours from that. This is really easy to get in the UK as well, and I've got a funny feeling it might be around the world a little bit, or some forms. It's basically like a pineapple soda, not sweet, but kind of got that like lovely pineapple notes, little hints of juniper in it. This is delicious. Absolutely love this. So I'm going 60 ml of my soda water. So I'm using that. Oh, lovely. There we go. Right. Now, just because I'll leave that there for you. Just because my glass is a little bit thinner, you know, I'm not going to get too much ice in there. I'm just going to use a couple of cubes of ice now. But normally I'd kind of ice up at the end. A couple of cubes of ice. I'm going to whack in my garnish, which is going to be some orange and passion fruit. Obviously goes quite well. And just going to give this a little stir. Just to combine the ingredients there. Now, it's so good, so good. Now, the Prosecco I'm going to use, or Cava, or whatever, I'm going for rosé. A bit of rosé for this one. I just think that will work a treat. And again, I'm going 60 ml. Whatever your favourite kind of rosé, Cava, Prosecco, Champagne is. Absolutely perfect. Right, I've got some little cubes of ice just tucked, just ready to go, just to top this up. Frozen. There we go, just to make it look pretty on top. And then obviously you've got some passion fruits lying around, so we'll garnish that with a passion fruit there. And there we go, really simple, really easy inspiration. Passion fruit spritz, Passoa spritz. But this, I think the addition of that with the Passoa is just amazing. Oh, that is so good. The bitter notes. I'm getting right into this kind of bitter, sweet thing going on. That is just absolutely amazing. So let me know what you thought of that. Let me know in the comments, what other kind of spritz kind of recipes would you come up with Passoa? And focusing on the Pornstar Martini ingredients, kind of put them in the comments below. If you like this, give us a big subscribe and I will see you in the very next video.